आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
So our question is find the domain and range of the following function. Okay, and our first function is log sin x to the base e, and second function is log 5 minus 4x minus x squared to the base 3. Here I write the first function, that is fx equals to log of sin x to the base e. Okay, so I can write here the range of sin x for this function. The range of sin x is 0 to 1. Okay, so here I can write the domain of this function is x belongs to minus 2 pi to minus pi union 0 to pi. Okay, union 2 pi to 3 pi. Okay, so similarly this is our domain. Okay, so it is till plus infinity and it is also till minus infinity. So for calculating the range, I can write here the range of sin x. So it is 0 sin x is less than equals to 1. So I put log here. So on putting log, it is minus infinity less than log sin x to the base e less than equals to log 1 is 0. Base can be anything, so it is 0. So the range of this function is minus infinity to 0. Okay, so our second function here, so that is fx equals to log 5 minus 4x minus x squared to the base 3. Okay, so I can write here, I have to find the domain of this function. Okay, so this function should be greater than 0. So I write here so I write here 5 minus 4x minus x square should be greater than 0. Okay, so I can write here x square plus 4x minus 5 is less than 0. I take here minus common and eliminate it. That's why this inequality sign gets opposite. So I can write here x square plus 5x minus x minus 5 is less than 0. I can also write it as x into x plus 5 minus 1 into x plus 5 less than 0. Here I can write x plus 5 into x minus 1 is less than 0. Okay, so the value of x that is possible is in between minus 5 is less than x is less than 1. Okay, so this is the domain of our function. So domain of this function is, so the domain of this function is minus 5 to 1. Okay, so here I write I have to find the range. So here I write the way by which I can write this quadratic equation. So this quadratic equation can be written as 9 minus x plus 2 whole square. Okay, so if I break it then I got this same equation. So let's see. So that is 9 minus x square minus 4 minus 4x. Okay, so it is 5 minus x square minus 4x. Okay, so I can write it this equation in this form. Okay, so here I write 9 minus x plus 2 whole square is always less than equals to 9, less than or equals to 9. Or here I can also write it as this function, the value of this function. So the value of this function can be written as 0 is less than 9 minus x plus 2 whole square is less than equals to 9. So I take log to the base 3 in entire equation, so it becomes minus infinity is less than log to the base 3, and here it is 9 minus x plus 2 whole square is less than equals to 2. Okay, so if I take log 9 to the base 3, it can be written as log 3 square to the base 3, and it can be written as 2 because the value of log 3 to the base 3 is 1. So this is our answer, so that is 2. And so I can say that the range of this function is minus infinity to 2. So thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।